Leo, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin what's coming to you in the next 24 hours from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to, because this is a timeless reading. Anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see, Leo. Next 24 hours, what's coming? Next 24 hours for Leo. Okay. Oops. So, next 24 hours, there's some sort of focus pagdating sa travel. Pwedeng kayo ay magta-travel, pupunta sa place na kung saan meron kayong kailangang asikasuhin. Pwede ring team building, no? Yung iba. Or meron kayong, pwede kasing gagawin nyo yan in the next 24 hours, or pagpaplanuhan ninyo yung team building na yan. This is also focused on yourself, yung faith mo sa sarili mo, kung anong direction yung tatahakin mo moving forward. Yung iba sa inyo, you are contemplating your career. You are, kumbaga nire-reassess mo yung career mo ngayon, kung masaya ka ba sa trabaho na meron ka ngayon. Kumbaga, wini-weigh mo yung pros and cons na, okay, itong trabaho na to, ganito yung sitwasyon ko, ano yung gusto ko, ano yung ayaw ko, at ano na yung plano ko sa susunod. You also have, meron ditong focus rin sa iyong dating or, relationship. Yung iba kasi meron kayong ngayong connection na kaibigan. Oo. Maaring nagkakaroon kayo ng romantic connection with a friend na syempre medyo mahirap pag gano'n, no? Kasi kaibigan mo. But there are some cases naman na kapag kaibigan mo tapos naging karelasyon mo, okay din naman, no? Kaya lang be careful kasi yung iba kahit kaibigan nyo 'to, puwedeng meron na 'tong sabit, no? Meron ng asawa or meron ng relationship. So, you have to be careful kung hahayaan mo yung sarili mo na ma-fall sa isang taong meron ng asawa or meron ng karelasyon, or kung hindi man siya, yung tipong wala siyang sense of commitment. Ito yung tipong friends with benefits. So, you have to be careful with this person. Lalo na, if some of you katrabaho nyo to eh. Oo. Katrabaho nyo. And I think, no, eventually, marirealize mo yan na, ayoko pala ng ganitong klaseng sitwasyon. Sa una lang pala masaya. Pero in the end, maari kasing, alam mo yung minsan, nagsiset ka ng boundaries na, okay, hanggang dito lang dapat. Pero, as you spend more time with this person, nagkakaroon ka ng ng certain connection, ng ang tawag doon, yung parang, uh, nagkakaroon ka na ng, yun nga, connection with this person na mahirap ng mag-let go. Okay lang sana kung walang issue or problema with this person pagdating sa kanyang commitment, or alam mo yun, kung committed naman siyang tao, but medyo flaky yung energy ng person na to. Okay? So that's why you have to be careful with this one. Yung iba, there is also focus on your health, no? Sa kalusugan mo. Venus is self-love, self-care, taking care of your health, physically, physical health, or lahat ng health. Physical, mental, emotional health. Kaya siguro ngayon, nire-reassess mo yung situation whether you still want to be with this person or not. Or kung gusto mo pa rin magtiis sa taong to. Oo. Kasi yung iba, hindi nyo na nabibigyan ng focus ng attention yung inyong career, ng trabaho nyo. Na parang nada-divert na yung attention nyo doon sa situation mo sa relationship. Yung iba naman sa inyo, pwedeng kung kayo may asawa na, ano naman, it's the other way around, na tipong yung asawa nyo ay maaaring hindi na kayo interesado sa kanya. I don't know, no? Siyempre, hindi naman yan lahat magre-resonate. But, alam mo yung feeling na hindi ka ganun ka-decided for sa person that you're dealing with right now, kahit asawa mo pa. Like, parang gusto mo ngayon mag-focus sa sarili mo, to improve yourself, to develop yourself, transform yourself. Yung gusto mo ngayon alagaan yung sarili mo. Overall energy, the Three of Cups. Tatlong feelings. O some of you may be in a third party situation. And Three of Cups is also about celebration. So, pwedeng meron ka isa-celebrate na achievement mo. Itong achievement na to related sa studies or sa trabaho. Your challenge is the Ace of Cups. Ang challenge mo is about a new situation sa relationship. Pwede kasing hindi ka pa rin ngayon ready to start a relationship if parang hindi ka pa rin ganun ka-open sa talagang committed situation. Kaya nga sabi nila, bakit may mga tao na na-engage sa isang relasyon na walang commitment, na okay lang sa kanila yon. Kasi sa totoo lang, hindi pa sila ready for a commitment. Kaya okay sa kanila yung ganun. And then your opportunity, the Seven of Wands, you have the opportunity to take care and protect yourself. Set boundaries, okay? Pag alam mo na ikaw ay tinitake advantage na, mag-set ka na ng boundaries para hindi ka maabuso. Okay? And then your blessing is the Queen of Pentacles. Wow. So, as a blessing, i-bless nito yung finances mo. Career. Pwedeng merong magandang mga ganap, blessings for your money, your career, your finances in the next 24 hours. Magkakaroon ka rin ng clarity, focus sa trabaho mo. Kasi ma-realize mo na yan yung isa sa pinaka-importante sa buhay mo ngayon. Yung career mo. Yes, be careful in making decisions with your finances. Prioritize your needs over your wants. Needs mo muna ang uunahin mo sa iyong career or sa finances mo. Magiging maingat sa paggastos ng pera. And then your love life. Oh my God! Diba? Separation. You both need some time and space to figure things out. So, some of you, Leo, ay maaring iiwas muna, hihiwalay sa person that you're dealing with. Lalo na kung hindi na kayo pareho ng goal ninyo sa relationship or ng intentions ninyo sa relationship. Okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.